audio module connects VCV Rack to your real audio hardware. To device, send sound to your speakers or interface. From device, bring sound into rack, mic, or line in.
Step 1. Add the audio module. Right-click on an empty space in the rack. Search for Audio. Step 2. Select your driver and device. Click the display at the top of the module. Choose your audio driver, depending on your operating system. Step 3. Set sample rate and block size. The sample rate controls audio quality. Use 44.1 or 48 kHz for most setups. Block size affects latency. Lower values mean faster response, but more CPU usage. Step 4. Connect your sound. Take the audio output from your patch, typically from a VCA or mixer, and connect it to input 1 of the audio module. You should now hear your sound through your selected device.